Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video I will show you how to get rid of the watermarks on a photo. If I go into the gallery, I have an AI generated photo. I don't know if you can see, but probably it's visible. If I bring it up closer, you will see the watermark here. It says AI generated content. So what you want to do for this, you will need the S Pen. Just remove the S Pen, and as you open the photo, just go to edit. You go to this option here and you get this option, object eraser. So if you tap on the object eraser, it will allow you to select your unwanted object and just press erase, and of course AI will remove it for you, and that's it. Our watermark is gone from the photo. So you just press done and you save it to the gallery, and if you go to the gallery, the watermark is gone.
Nice.
This is a useful feature. If you ever need to remove the watermark, you know it's doable and it's quite easy. This is it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you find this tutorial useful, please hit that like and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.